How to fix photos and videos not deleting in your Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. If you are facing this problem, the number one step you can use is rebooting your device. Simply restart your device. After that, if the problem still prevails, tap and hold your gallery application and then go to App Info. Then go to its storage section and then tap on Clear Cache. Make sure you have the latest version of software on your device. To do so, go to Settings, scroll all the way down and then you will see an option of Software Update. And then check for software updates. If you have any updates, simply download it and install it into your device. And that should fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.